Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to fix your Killing Floor 3 crashing in your Steam, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First thing first, launch your game application and get logged into your account. Select library where you have installed that game. For instance, if this is your game file, right click onto it, select properties. From here, you will see this installed files. Click onto it and verify integrity of your game files. Wait for this to load, and once this is done, close this. Now see if this fixes your problem and fixes your Floor 3 crashing. If it's still not working for you, come below at the software, type in Device Manager. Launch a Device Manager, and from these various given options, select Display Adapters. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA GeForce. Select your main display adapter, select Update Driver, search automatically, and then close. Do the same for the other graphics that you are using as well. Right-click onto it, update drivers, search automatically, and then close. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the only way you can fix it is by uninstalling that Floor 3 game. For that, select Manage, select Uninstall, reinstall again, and this shall definitely fix your problem.